What's the meaning of clever dick? Clever dick. Clever dick.
Clever dick. Clever dick. The phrase clever dick is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is arrogant or overly confident about their intelligence or knowledge. It can also imply that this person is a know-it-all who likes to show off their intellect in an obnoxious way. The term is often used in a derogatory manner, as it suggests that the individual may have an inflated sense of self-importance. Overall, being called a clever dick is not typically seen as a compliment, but rather as a criticism of one's behavior.